Good morning. Thought I'd stroll through the garden. A little video. Definitely looks like fall. Things are falling. This one fell over. I think I'm going to get a lot of slugs this year because I'm just going to let it go. I'm not going to take anything out or make compost piles or anything like that. I'm going to just let it all fall down and compost. The birds really like it here. I think they'll enjoy it even more. This was the old potato patch. Now there's borage. Some wild daikon. They don't really grow big. They just have a tiny, tough root. They're not worth eating, but they're nice to have around. I have munched on the green of this wild daikon before I got my garden going, and I didn't have any vegetables. More borage. The bees really like the borage, and there's a lot of bees that come in. There wasn't any for a while, but there were some yesterday. It's still too early for bees now. You probably remember that old fence. It's still there. I've thrown some roots in for decorating with here and there later. Stashing them here. Stake out collard roots or tobacco roots. They're big. The raspberries are just doing amazing. That compost is rich. Check it out. That's rich. Plants really like that. Here's the old collard. It's 5 years old, 5.5. Let's see, 5 or 5.5. There's the stalk right down in there. Yeah, I gotta do some math. There's some chives right there in the middle. Just letting it go wild. That ought to make some nice compost. Anyway, probably running out of space. Anyway, feeling a little spacey today. Anyway, a lot of green leaves. Nice, heavy, solid food. That's one plant. That's like 5 feet across.